guys, Namaste. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach about some more basics of mathematics. So let's get started. So firstly, all the natural numbers can be divided into two categories, odd numbers and even numbers. Now what are even numbers? So the numbers which can be divided by 2, or we could say that the numbers which are multiple of 2 are called even numbers. Example 2, 4, 6, 8, 22, 58. Whichever number is divided by 2 will be known as even number. I mean whichever natural number is divided by 2 will be known as even number. Okay. Now, what are odd numbers? The numbers which are not divided by 2, or we could say as the numbers which are not even, are called odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7. I have told here natural number and not all numbers because all numbers would include 0 and rational numbers in the form of p by q also. But 0 is neither even nor odd. Okay. So I have written here natural numbers. But some person can ask, what about -4? Then okay, we will say that -4 is the negative version of an even number as 4 is divisible by 2. If you want, you can take the screenshot of this page. Also, in case anybody doesn't know what are multiples or factors, then please go and see part 4 of number system which I have uploaded in YouTube. In that chapter, in that part, multiples and factors are explained in detail. Secondly, all the natural numbers can also be grouped under two categories, prime numbers and composite numbers. All the numbers except 1. Okay, 1 is neither prime nor composite. Why? I will explain it in some time. Now, what are prime numbers? The numbers which have exactly two factors, namely 1 and itself, are called prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, etc. Here I have written the first 10 prime numbers. All these numbers have only 1 and itself as factors. We can see 13 can only be divided by either 13 or 1. Similarly, 2 or 3 or 5 or any of these numbers can be divided only by 1 or itself, and hence these are called prime numbers. Now note, 2 is the only even prime number, as other than 2, every other even number will also be divided by 2, as I have just taught that even number means the numbers which are divisible by 2. So, other than 2, any even number will or must be divided by 2, if not any other fourth number. So, since all the even numbers other than 2 will have more than 2 factors, that is more than 1 in itself, which will be 2 or maybe many more. So, 2 is the only even prime number, as 2 is also divided by 2, but it has only 2 factors. Also, 2 is the smallest prime number. So, whenever someone asks if an even number can be a prime number, then the answer will be yes, and there is only one even prime number, that is 2. Also, 3 is the smallest odd prime number, because the smallest odd number is no doubt 1, but 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 3 only one factor, which is itself. So it is not prime number. Now composite numbers. The numbers which have more than two factors, that is other than 1 and itself also, are known as composite numbers. Example 4, 6, 8. I have written first 10 composite numbers here. Okay, so we can see 9 is odd, but 9 has factor 3 also other than 9 and 1. So it is a composite number. Again, here 15. 15 is odd, but other than 15 and 1, it has 5 and 3 also as its factors. So 15 is also composite numbers. And the even numbers, of course, have 2 as a common factor among them. And then 1 and itself, they have only. And also other than 1, 2 and itself, they may have other factors. For example, 6 has 3 also as its factor. Here 14 has 7 also as its factor. So the main rule is that prime numbers must have exactly two factors, namely 1 and itself, and composite numbers must have more than two factors. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. I hope you understood this theory. Also note that 9 is the smallest odd composite number and 4 is the smallest even composite number. Now, another type is co-prime numbers. Now, what are co-prime numbers? Then, the pair of numbers whose HCF is 1, or we can say that whose only common factor is 1, are called co-prime numbers or simply co-primes, no matter whether they are prime or composite. Okay, example 8 and 9. So here we can say that 8 is also composite and 9 is also composite, but the common factor between them is only 1 and hence these are called co-primes. Similarly, 15 and 28 also have only one common factor and that is 1. They both are composite. It has factors 3, 5, 15 and 1. It also has factors 2, 4, 7 other than 28 and 1. But these both, if taken together, will have only one common factor and hence they are also co-primes. Here 7 is a prime number and 18 is a composite number. But still, if someone will ask if 7 and what are 7 and 18, then they are co-primes as the common factor between them is only 1. But if someone asks what are 7 and 14 co-primes, then the answer will be no. Despite that 7 is a prime number, these two will not be co-primes as 14 has another common factor. 14 and 7 have another common factor 7 among them. 7 twos are 14. So these pair will not be co-prime. Now I have taken two pairs of odd numbers 9 and 35. Note that these both are composite numbers. It has factor 3 and it has factors 7 and 5 also other than 1 and themselves. Now, but despite being both the numbers composite, these both will be called co-primes as the common factor among them is only 1. Similarly, I am taking another pair 9 and 12. Now, in this also we can see that like this one is not the factor of other, but they both do have common factor, which is 3. 3 3 is a 9 and 3 4 is a 12. So other than 1, they also have one common factor, that is 3. So this will also not be co-prime. Now we must remember two important notes. Firstly, two even numbers can never be co-primes, as every two a common factor 2, as the definition of even number itself contains that it must be divisible by 2. So, two even numbers will never be co-primes. Now again, another point to be noted is that two prime numbers will always be co-primes, as two prime numbers will never have any common factor except 1. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you understood today's theory. If not, please ask me through the comment box